Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw Bitcoin from Kucoin to Exmo in 2025. If you're looking to move your Bitcoin between exchanges, this step-by-step guide will make it straightforward and secure. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, I'll walk you through it quickly so you can get it done in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Kucoin and Exmo, and that your Bitcoin is in your Kucoin wallet. Start by logging into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. It's usually in the top menu. From there, find and click on Withdraw. Next, select Bitcoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. This is crucial because you want to ensure you're withdrawing the right asset. Now, you'll need to enter your Exmo wallet address. Double-check this address on your Exmo account to avoid any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to withdraw, but keep an eye on the minimum withdrawal limits and any fees involved. Kucoin might charge a small network fee, so factor that into your plans. Before you hit confirm, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer for security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Once everything looks good, review the details and confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, so keep an eye on that. Now, switch over to your Exmo account and check the Deposit or Wallet section to monitor the incoming transaction. Depending on the Bitcoin network congestion, it might take anywhere from 10 minutes to a few hours to arrive. Remember, always withdraw to a wallet you control and never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Bitcoin from Kucoin to Exmo in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.